So guys, welcome back of course to this channel, and in this channel we discuss about how to make money in trading forex and how to be consistent in trading forex. Okay, so welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm mainly going to show you one thing which is very important: how you should plan for the amount of money you're going to trade with and how much money you should be trading forex with. So stay tuned and keep watching the video, man. Yeah, so what's up again? Okay, what's up again, guys? So I want you to know one thing. You see, many people have been inboxing me and telling me that, hey Miles, you see, I'm growing these small accounts but I'm not making progress. Okay, say so yo guys, you see, the reason why I'm making this video is because there are many people inboxing me that, hey Miles, I'm growing this account but I'm not making progress. Okay, one thing I have to do is, guys, let me wish you the happiest holidays. Okay, I hope you're enjoying with your loved ones. And one thing I can tell you that this is not the time to trade forex, my friend. Okay, the banks are in their holidays. This is not the time to trade forex. You know what's gonna happen? Let me speak about it before I move forward. What's gonna happen is you're gonna open a trade, and the trades are not going to move. Okay, then when the banks come back, you will see the gaps, and you will see how people will be making losses in the market. There will be too much gap time because the banks were closed and whatever, because most of these big companies are now closed, and I don't see no reason why you should be trading right now unless you're trading, of course, volatilities, which I'm also doing. I started doing it and I'll make a second video about it. Okay, so most of the guys have been inboxing me that, hey Miles, let's do this. Like, I've been growing these small accounts but I'm not moving forward. Don't you think I should just go to a big account, like being funded by my Forex fund? Which advice would you tell me? So what I can tell you guys is, you see, when it comes to Forex, there is the mindset of people have been changed, have been disorganized so much. You don't need a lot of money to make money in trading Forex. Sorry, you don't need a lot of money to start making money in trading forex. You get that? All you need is to change your mindset, brother, and accept the little you have, because I promise you, everyone whom you see making money in trading forex didn't start from a lot of money. You get that? They started from small. They have been having small capital and now they keep on growing their money slowly, and that is it. So one thing I can advise you guys is, you see, most people have been simple saying that, no, come join forex, you're going to start making a lot of money immediately. So let me be honest with you guys. The person who is who has got more advantage of making money in forex is the person who has got another side hustle. So people have been telling me that, hey Miles, let me join, I only have $300, I want to join forex. I would wish you had another side hustle which can make you daily income, because I want you to know one thing, guys. When you have another side hustle, you won't pressurize your account right now. And I'm gonna show you, if you're in our Telegram group, we had an advert that we are going to be growing $10 to $1,000. It doesn't matter how much time it takes. We just want to see that we have reached our goal. You see, in forex, no one knows tomorrow. You don't know how the pairs are going to move tomorrow. That's why we take what the market gives you, and we accept what the market gives you, as long as you're in this point of protecting your accounts. And I can show you very well that we have grown $10 to $40 in a period of 2 weeks. I know it's small money, it's not all that big profit, but what I can tell you is I'm growing the account slowly, and I'm sure that we shall reach it as 1,000 USD. So make sure you're part of the blue pips and you can still join us and trade with us. We also have this point where you're growing $100 still to 1,500 USD, so you can join the team. You get that? So what I can advise you guys is, I want you to trade in a way that you take trading as your hobby. You understand? In a point that I don't want you to pressurize trading. You get that? It doesn't mean that every day when you show up you have to trade. No, it doesn't work like that. Sometimes you just show up. If you don't see any opportunity in the market, chill and go and have time for yourself. Go and try to do something like that. You see, I'm not on pressure in pushing so much. You understand? Not every day is the same, and nowadays markets are crazy. I want you to understand that markets are not moving all that much. That's why our targets are kind of narrowing, but you need a lot of plan. So one thing I can advise you guys is, first of all, don't forget that this video is being sponsored by Exness. Exness is one of the leading easy brokers to use, with easy mobile deposits and instant. So what you can do is go check on my description. Click the link, open yourself a trading account. In also that description, you'll see our link to our Telegram group. Click the link and join, of course, our Telegram group. If you need more help, you'll find my details in the description. You'll find my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me, and if you're in Uganda, you can call me. I can see how I can talk to you, guide you, and see how things can go. You understand that? So I want you to note one thing. If you're joining Forex, if you're new and you're joining Forex, know one thing. You're not joining Forex and you won't start making a lot of money immediately. No, it's a process, my friend. This thing takes time, because the first thing is that you have to first get the knowledge. Then, because you cannot start trading Forex without understanding how to protect your money. You know, I always tell my students that the first thing that is important is learning how to protect money. That's why they say that a bird at hand is worth that one in the bush. You see, all of you have your money in your accounts. Let's say you have $100, and in this $100, you want to make a lot of money immediately. But you fail to forget that that one that you have right now is more important than that one that you've not had yet. You understand that? So what I'm trying to tell you is that cherish the one that you're already having. Trade with the proper risk management. Before opening up a trade, you have to know the plan, know what you're risking and everything like that. So one thing I can advise you is you can trade with any amount of money for as long as you have a good plan. You can check and join our group so we can follow our plan and see how we are growing these small accounts, and follow our plan. You can see how we are moving on. And you see, it's not all about making a lot of money, but it's all about moving step by step and being consistent. For as long as you're not pressurizing your account, okay, you're going to grow your account. That is what I can advise you. So one thing I can tell you is that you can even trade with the $10. You can trade with any amount of money, $10, $100, $1,000. So people have been telling me that, Miles, I have $1,000 and I have enough capital. Capital is not a problem, my friend. The problem is, do you know what you're doing? Are you confident in trading? You see, there are people that are funny. Are you confident in trading? When you set a trade, you have to know your targets. Are you confident to be patient enough to wait and hold that trade? If no, then you have something. You have an issue, man. You have an issue. So you have to be confident in trading, and you have to know what you're doing. So one thing I can advise you is you can start trading with any amount of money. But one thing is, just know what you're doing and know your risks, know your profits, and be disciplined. You see, what I can tell you guys, discipline. This is not the time to trade Forex right now. It's not the best time to trade Forex right now, because the markets, it's like you're forcing the markets. The markets are not moving all that. We're just having a lot of spreads in the market. Actually, the whole of this week, I won't trade anything, because there is nothing much in the markets. So this is the time to learn something. Be disciplined. Discipline is know when to trade and know when to trade. So guys, I leave you with all the best. And in the next video, I'm going to drop about volatilities and my previous history about trading volatilities. So stay tuned and make sure you keep following the channel. Have a nice time, guys.